Today we're going to be working on the KTM. Alright guys, as you guys see, I gotta put the seat back on and then I can try it out. Try first start in 6 months and see if it's leaking oil or not now. I got that one all tightened up, the one up top's all tightened up, carb's been drained, fresh gas put in it. Gonna check the oil here in a second. And then we'll be able to try to start it after put the seat on. We're good to go. So I'm gonna let it warm down, cool down now, and then yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Tires right there. Hey guys, so today we're out on the 2003 KTM 450 SXF. Gonna go for a couple laps now that we got it running. Just gonna go out in the backyard here. See how she's going. out on the dirt bike, guys. We'll be making some more content, or quite a bit, on the dirt bike once I get some gas and everything for it. Gotta change the oil. Gotta do a couple things yet to it. But it's just nice to take it out for a couple laps. Probably take it out to the field later today. That'll be the next video though, guys. Nice, guys. Way better than being on the trike, guys. Woo! First gear pops her right up. Gotta check some oil leaks again, guys, here real quick. Looking good. Everything seems good to me. Back here, hey guys. Oh yeah, I've missed being on the bike, guys. Icy back here. Oh, we're just gonna turn it around right here, guys. Might not be able to make it out to the field today with a bunch of ices on this trail. The other side's gonna be way worse, way more covered. But I'm gonna try it anyways, probably. guys liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next KTM video, guys, because we're going to be coming in hot with the videos here soon. Just start trying to come out with them every Monday and Wednesday. Be sure to hit that post notification button and share with your friends. Thanks, everybody. Bye.